Hi guys, it's a beautiful Saturday morning here in London, Ontario, Canada. It's about 23 degrees, which is just amazing. It's been quite cool the last couple weeks, so it's nice to have a beautiful day like this on the weekend to shoot. Normally, days like this, I like to have a bit of a plan of what I'm gonna do. Today, there's no plan. Today, I'm not feeling great. I have fibromyalgia, which means I'm always in some sort of level of pain. Some days are better than other days. Today's not a particularly great day, so I really just wanted to sit at home and do nothing, but there's no way. It's just too nice. I had to get out. So no plan today. The only plan was get my ass out the door and try and get some nice shots. So let's do it.
So when I first go out, I like to try to find something to shoot right away, just to get in the flow. So I saw some nice light on these columns and thought it would be all right. It ended up looking better in black and white, so that's the way I went with it. And you know, now I've started shooting. And right away I'll try to find something else that catches my eye. In this case, this little security camera. Not the greatest shots in the world, but I find if I take too long to start shooting, then sometimes I just end up walking around for half an hour and never taking a picture. You can start to get too picky, you start to second guess yourself and overthink things. So I look for some nice simple stuff like that and sort of gets the ball rolling. You'll notice there's not a lot of people out on the streets. London is generally quite quiet. It's a fairly small city, but with the virus, it's a ghost town now. So you'll see me take a lot of pictures of buildings and stuff like this here, just because there's not a lot of people around. So as street photographers, we have to do our best to find interesting things to shoot in the absence of people. So I like the reflections here, but I really wanted a person to be in this shot, so I decided I was going to wait. And I got lucky, and somebody came by almost immediately. Considering how few people were out, felt pretty lucky to get this one. That might be my favorite shot of the day. This is another one I was really hoping that someone would walk through the shot, but looking up and down the street, I could see that there was just no one coming. So I took the shot, and I'll remember that one for the future, and hopefully next time I come there'll be more people around. I really like this alley with all the graffiti. I usually don't take pictures of graffiti because I feel like I'm just taking a picture of a picture at that point. It means someone else's art. But I do like when there's a space like this that's decorated with the graffiti, but the space itself tells a little story and is kind of interesting on its own. The graffiti just adds to it. Oh, I was lucky here. I actually found a human to take a picture of, and that ended up being another one of my favorites for the day. So this is the last shot that I have on video. My memory card filled up, and I stupidly did not have another one. I'm terrible at this, obviously. I did get a few more shots, so I'll just tack them on at the end here so you can have a look. Thanks for hanging around to the end. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Please leave some comments and tell me what I could be doing better. This is my first try, and I really want to get good at this, so your feedback would be very helpful. All right, thanks a lot.